Hello everybody, this is Josh Kelly here. This is my first time ever doing this. I hope you guys can hear me. Let me just check this thing real quick. Hello? Yeah, I think you can. We have to check in a minute. But here we are playing. It looks like it's gonna be Ruby, but as we get down to it, well, here's the opening, and that's our character there. So I'm gonna be a guy in this. I've already decided. I have played it before. And yeah, I did name it. But I was playing this before, and it's actually a pretty good game so far. Ugh, where am I? I don't seem to remember. Who is that man? Who is the man I can remember? He seems familiar. I remember a Pokemon. Oh wow, that thing just moved on its own. Alright. But that Pokemon looks strange. I think something very, very odd has happened. Is it just my memory playing tricks on me? Playing tricks me? Grammar. Or was the Pokemon that I just remembered dead? That can't be right, surely. Pokemon don't die, they just faint and lose the will to fight, right? The thing is... Oh, come on, again? Am I a boy or am I a girl? You're a boy. Okay, now what's my name? Wraith. Shade. Dark. Eye. You know what? Who would name their kid Eye? Who would honestly name their kid Eye? Wow. That's just... Oh, holy crap, that guy's missing an eye. Ah, now I get it. His name is Eye. You know what? We have to nickname him. We have to name him something. My name... What should be my name? Guys, I'm gonna only do a little bit. I'm not actually gonna do the whole 15. Because it's just gonna take too long. I have to do some other things for this channel, and I have to figure out what was... Oh, damn it, I had that cursor in there. Oh, anyway. You know, honestly, I don't know what I should name it. Let me check. I'm gonna go check. Alright guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I just had to do something. How about, since this game is all about death and dead Pokemon and fighting and stuff, and so how about you guys may think that's actually, I know, it's cliche, but you know what? Why not? I like it. Yes, your shadow. Suddenly you're lasered by giant sharks with laser eyes. And you know, I never understood that. I really never understood that. That was just stupid. No, but seriously, you should leave. I'm gonna put some... I forgot to put the sound on. Honestly, no sound. This Pokeball is spinning slowly on its own axis. Take it? Yes. Found a Boltoy. Nickname this Boltoy? Yes. You know, I don't know what we should name this Baltoy. What should we name the Baltoy? I'm sorry, I just have trouble with names. It's just like, it's always been a personal problem. You know what? I've always liked this name. I've always liked this name for a Baltoy. Always have. So I hope you guys like it too. Oh, now the music starts. Oh, that's nice. I wonder what this is. Shadow's house. Professor Birch's house. What's that? The hell? Okay then. That was nothing. Oh my god, it just showed a piece of the house. Ah, help me, someone. Go over there. Please help. You over there. Oh, I was about to say, you go over there. Bitch, I'll do that surely. Bruh. Oh my god. Awesome. Awesome. Just bruh. Bruh. Zombie Kid Liam would like to battle. I'm sorry, that Bulbasaur? Bulbasaur? That's an awesome name. Awesome name. Confusion, Rapid Spin. Confusion. Oh, that was an instant death. Okay, we got 48 bucks. I like that we just don't have to battle a Zigzagoon in the beginning. I mean, that just sucked. That always has sucked. We've known each other for years. What's wrong? Oh, right. You see, I woke up in that ruined town south of here and realized I've lost my memory. I've realized today I've lost my memory. Yeah, no. That was our home, Shadow. I don't know if you remember. Was anyone there? Your older brother? My daughter? No, I don't remember them, though. Do you remember anything? No. You must have hit your head really badly. Don't you even remember the zombie plague? I think I would remember that, but no. But you were there as the zombies and their zombie Pokemon tore the town to shreds, right? Now you come to mention it, I do remember zombie Pokemon, but that's about it. Well, I dare say your memories will find their way back to you. Now follow me. We've got to get to the nearest safe place before the zombies come back. It's gonna heal up. See it. I'm just gonna go to my PC and get that light potion. What's this guy about? Pokemon centers are great. You can use their services as much as you like, and it's all for free. You never have to worry. Free healthcare, bro. Professor Birch was waiting for you. He said he'd be on Route 103 to the north. Well, let's get going. Besiege our homes and the entire family has vanished without a trace. There is still time for science. Shadow. Wait, why did I read that? I have made a fantastic discovery, you see. Never before has a Pokemon been known to breed in the wild, and yet here's a nest, complete with egg. Right. Why is this worth calling me about? Take the egg, Shadow. It's common knowledge that eggs only hatch when taken around with other Pokemon. But what about the parent Pokemon? I don't see any. Do you? Yeah, that's fair logic. But that's only one reason why I brought you here. I also want to speak to you about the zombies. Seems like no one wants to talk about anything else. Yes, quite well. Yes, quite. Well, I don't know. I know you don't remember, but do you remember your brother? 3 years ago, he beat the Pokemon League. Right, I forgot to mention that this Pokemon Ruby hack, or ROM, was based 3 years after the... It was Ruby. Anyway. That was a really stupid question. Yeah, well, I want you to... Well, find him. Find him? He and my daughter May set off west a few weeks ago to look for the source of the zombie infection. I haven't heard hide nor hair of them since. So why do you need them? Other than the fact that one's your brother and the other is my daughter, your brother is the Pokemon champion. If anyone can beat back the zombies, it's him. The same guy who vanished without a trace when he went to beat back the zombies. My plan may have certain flaws, but it's the best we've got. So, will you go? Alright. I'll go west. Go to Petalburg. There might be survivors there who saw where they went. Okay, what will you be doing while I risk my life? I'll be trying to reconnect the old PC network so that I can try and contact survivors. Oh, okay. And take this. Obtain the Pokephone. Should I put the... I can't contact you. I can contact you through that Pokephone if necessary. I might do that if I can find a... Oh, wait. What? Elite. Okay. Alright, I'll see you around, Shadow. I'll see you around, Shadow. Yeah, I should have named him differently. It was a stupid name. I mean, it's a cliche. Honestly, cliche. Oh yeah, shoot. I forgot that it's a dark... Oh, wait a minute. I forgot that you... Damn it. You don't get Pokeballs from here. Yeah, bitch. I remember her. She's gonna be our rival. So she's gonna be our rival, guys, and I gotta beat her in this, and her Pokemon are gonna be kind of overpowered. So anyway, guys, I think I'm gonna end the thing here. So I'm probably gonna train this Orion off screen. I might do my kind of a montage or something. Anyway, I'm gonna end the thing here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Damn it. It's my first time ever doing it alone, so... Yes. Alright, guys. Thanks. And leave a comment and a like down below. I hope you guys like it. Alright. Bye.